Look at this. Most people who buy a water flosser think they're cleaning between their teeth properly, but the way they aim the water barely cleans the area where gum disease actually starts. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you should be using a water flosser step by step so it actually cleans your gums without turning your bathroom into a water fountain. Brushing alone is not enough. Even if you brush perfectly, food and plaque still get left behind between teeth and along the gum line. Those areas are where gum disease begins and where cavities between teeth often forms. A water flosser is one of the easiest ways to clean those areas if you use it correctly. First, fill the reservoir with warm water. Warm water is usually more comfortable, especially if your teeth are sensitive. Most people can simply use the standard tip that comes with the device. Insert the tip firmly into the handle and you're ready. But before you start, quickly run the water flosser into the sink for a few seconds. This flushes the old water out of the system, so you're starting with fresh water. If you're new to water flossers, start on a low or medium pressure setting. You don't need maximum power. Your gums should feel like they're getting a gentle massage, not like they're being pressure washed. If it feels uncomfortable, simply turn the pressure down. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They turn the water on before the tip is inside their mouth. Instead, do this. Lean over the sink, place the tip inside your mouth first, close your lips slightly, just enough to prevent splashing. Then turn the water on. Let the water flow from your mouth into the sink as you go. Now let's talk about the technique. The water should be aimed at the gum line, not straight between the teeth, because plaque, the bacteria we're trying to remove, builds up right where the tooth meets the gum. Position the tip at about 90-degree angle toward the gum line. Start with your back teeth, then slowly guide the tip along the gum line. Pause briefly between each tooth, about 1 second, then move to the next tooth. Think of it as walking the water along the gum line. Now let's do the inside surfaces. This is where many people struggle with the angle. Just like on the outside, you want the tip aimed about 90 degrees toward the gum line. You'll usually need to tilt the handle slightly more to achieve that same 90-degree angle on the inside. And honestly, this is the one place where I personally wish the tip was a bit more curved, because a curved tip would sometimes make it easier to reach the correct angle on the inside. But even with the standard tip, you can still do it. You just need to adjust the handle slightly. Move along the inside gum line the same way. Pause between teeth for 1 second. Then move to the next one. But what if water builds up inside your mouth? Well, the easiest way is to simply let the water dribble into the sink as you go. But if that feels awkward at first, you can also keep your lips together. Then pause, spit out the water, then continue. It works just as well, it just takes a little longer. Here are 3 common mistakes. Turning the water on before the tip is in your mouth. Aiming between the teeth instead of along the gum line. Using pressure that's too high. And remember, this is just one part of a proper oral care routine. Most people who lose their teeth later in life didn't have one clear routine they followed consistently. Small daily habits, like how you brush and clean between your teeth, ultimately determine whether you develop gum disease, cavities, or keep your teeth healthy for decades. If you want the exact routine I recommend to keep your natural teeth for life, download my free oral care guide below. And if you want to make sure you're not damaging your teeth while brushing, watch this video next, and I'll see you there.